uPeterson uyidlisile iKaizer Chiefs. Ayikho enye indlela yokuyichaza lento lena. uPeterson uyidlisile iKaizer Chiefs. Ngokusho lokhu-ke bafethu angithi uPeterson akabulawe, uyidlisile i-team if i-team but uyi-senior player ethimini, ama-mistake anje akumele awenze. Bheka, there's no danger, nothing, zero. Ama-players we-Kaizer Chiefs ebhokisini ayi-3 kunelilodwa le-Golden Arrows. Mawubheka la esithombeni bafethu, in fact ama-players ilodwa, it's only one player. Lo muntu if uyacross uzocrossela bani? Liyaphi lebhola leli? Aliyindawo. So if ulo ukeeper o-right uyakwazi uku-organize i-defense yakho, kune-communication e-right between wena ne-defense yakho, akuna-danger la, akunalutho. Because even if lesithombe lesi khona i-player elikhona le-Golden Arrows le, just lo, ayikho i-danger at all. So uPeterson uyikhostile iKaizer Chiefs. Ubuyela kuma-settings wakhe wakudala kuPeterson mezokwenza into ekanje, cause futhi ulifaka phakathi-ke yena ukumake sure vele ukuthi liyangena. It's not like ukuthi balisquare maybe liyale phansi, but kumake sure ukuthi liyangena le bhola leli. As a senior player, you don't have to do that. I've said this thing many times. Ulina as a goalkeeper is better than uPeterson. But uPeterson for iKaizer Chiefs uyi-leader ele-right. But if uzoba i-leader, i-team idliwa nge-mistake yakho, ama-mistake ayenzeka ebholeni siyazi bafethu, we don't have inkinga nama-mistake. But i-mistake enje i-awareness ikuphi? Uyabona, look at this ball. Ayikho into like when I saw this I was like no, ayikho into abazoyenza abafana be-Golden Arrows. Kaizer Chiefs ikhave kahle even nalaphana ku-defense ba-aware, bayazazi ukuthi bakuphi, only for ukuthi i-Golden Arrows balishaye phakathi la straight. Well, i-cross from umjida we-Arrows beyangafuni ukulicrossa le ball. No, i-cross but straight epalini siyavuma, but i-danger beyingekho. I think Peterson would look back kule moment lena asho ukuthi hayi ngiyikhostile i-team, because I saw even namajita la wasebenzela i-SuperSport naye akhuluma nga-same thing ukuthi no man, uPeterson kumele athathe i-responsibility kule nto lena, and bekumele amake sure ukuthi kune-communication e-right, like because the best goalkeeper in the world ugoalkeeper one-communication ne-defense yakhe by-in sync. But-ke izinto ezikanje ziyenzeka if ubani, I think uKhumalo uthe if uPeterson uyaphuma kanje epalini lakhe, it means akayithembi i-defense yakhe. And then ufika kanjani ukuthi ungayithembi i-defense yakho bafethu? Ekutheni ufika kanjani ekutheni ungayithembi i-defense yakho, because udlala nabo labantu laba, ujima nabo, uyawazi, you know their strengths nama-weaknesses wabo. If khona olahlile uyakwazi ukumphusha laphana umjida ukuthi mfethu misa kanje nakanje nakanje, kumele si-improve lana la. But hayi, Ronaldo lini uya-warm up bafethu, kumele athole i-opportunity yakhe naye. If uPeterson bazoba nama-mistake kanje, ngicela ukubamba lana okwamanje ngithi danko.